How to use Twitter X polls to engage followers. So for that, let's open our Twitter, and then from here tap on the plus icon right here. After doing that, you can see the poll icon right here. Tap on this, and now you can start typing a question. So I'm going to type a question, and in here I'm going to write a choice, just like this. If you want to add another choice, what you can do is simply tap on the plus icon right here, and then we have added a third choice. So in here I'm going to write something like this. So in here, what I recommend you guys in order to engage all of your followers is write something very interesting that is particularly related to the type of content that you post on your X. So if you do that, what you can do is simply tap on post, and this poll will be posted to your feed so that all of your followers will get more engaged, and that's it.